Good morning. Today we're out and about in the Malvern Hills. 7 of us today, walking from the north to the south, and it's beautiful weather. So let's get on with it. So the biggest climb of the day is at the beginning, and this is it. Going up. Plodding on upwards.
Quite steep, Matt.
It is quite steep, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. View's starting to open up behind us though. Somebody very kind has left a bench here, so we're going to use it. So this is the first summit. This is North Hill at 397 metres, and you can look across to the rest of the start with the rest of the Malverns where we're heading next. So this is the top of Little Sugarloaf, and behind us is Worcester Beacon, up there above Terry's Head. There we are. So that's where we're heading next. This is Worcester Beacon. So there are 2 trig points up here. Well, 1 trig point and 1 observatory thing. Pretty crowded up here though. And over there, the rest of the Malverns where we're heading next. Perseverance Hill, I think, is that next one. And British Camp in the background. Down there is the showground, which I think's got an RHS flower show going on today. Bit of foreground. those are the last 3 hills we've come over. We've dropped down to the road now, just before we get to British Camp, which is the next section. Hoping there might be a cafe. Get an ice cream. Had to be done. So this is British Camp, which is an Iron Age hill fort, 700 to 200 BC. People have been up here. Apparently there's a Middle Age settlement as well. But it's a stunning day to be up here. Yes, it is. There we are. This is, well, coolish. The obelisk. Back at the car park, that was just around 4 hours, a bit more maybe. But we did stop a few times. It's just started to rain. So good timing. What we do now to do a little shuttle run, go back to the start, pick up the other cars, and then head home. Anyway, I'll leave it there for now and leave the route as normal. Thanks for watching.